Hello my friends, welcome! To fast travel to your base without having to pull out the keycaps, this is the keycaps you should pull out to get to the screws. Once again I opened up my keyboard because I had this sudden inspiration to change the color of the base by spray painting it with previous paint I have left over from a video that I have made. This is how I open up the legs of the base. I did not want paint on this.
A few moments later. 1 hour later. More moments later.
That fresh air of paint. This is going to take some hours as there is a lot of layers. While I'm waiting, I might as well play with the stabilizers. Alright my friends, to open up the stabilizer there is a clip on it. Use a tool and with my other fingers I'm pushing the stabilizer upwards. Now give your stabilizer a blanket and let them be cozy. Be aware that the blankets don't slip through because then it'll be ineffective. Now I'm cleaning up the excess duct tape to make it look pretty. Make sure the two legs are standing because if it doesn't go into the two holes, it won't work. I know, it's very handsome now. Was it worth for me to go through all this to make it purple? Yeah, it was super fun for me. It was very stimulating in creative ways and just to see it all evolve. So thank you so much for watching. I appreciate your time and yeah, we'll see you all in the next one, my friends. Peace out. Boop, boop, boppity, boop, boopity, boop, bop.